In order to create automations on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to Settings. Then in the Settings, go to Modes and Routines. And then here we can go to Routines. Here we can find all automations that will be created in the meantime. We can tap on this plus in the top right corner in order to create our own routine that is automation. So we can add triggers, what should be used in order to trigger your routine. We can select multiple things. So once you select your first trigger, then you can add another condition, unless you actually choose start manually. But then you can also choose what should happen when that condition is met. So for example, we can control smart things, we can do something with connections. As you can see, there's lots of different options to choose from, and then you can press save. Besides that, we can also go to discover in order to find a bunch of different pre-made automations that we can quickly use and set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!